Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with our solution of the model question paper 2022 released by the KSEEB. Okay. So in this video I will be solving all the questions from multiple choice questions and 1 mark. Okay. So I'm not going to just write the answer. I will also be explaining you, okay, and I will also be telling you how to approach the problem and which are the variety of methods that can be used to solve a particular problem. Also, if we have any trick to remember the problem, all this I'm going to sorry, not to remember, to solve the problem, and we'll see. Okay, so let us start. But before that, let me request you, if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it. Okay, because I have made a plenty of videos especially on maths, in that too of Karnataka board, that is SSLC Karnataka board. So it will be very useful for you if you are new to this channel. Okay, and if you find this video useful, kindly do share it with your classmates and other students who are in class 10. Okay, so with that, let us start the first question. Okay, but before that, let me tell you something important. Okay, so always try to read this instruction. Okay, always try to read this instruction first before approaching the question paper. Okay, before approaching the question. So you can see, first you can see here, this is the KSEEB, that is Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Okay, 21-22 model question paper. Okay, it is maths of duration this much, 80 marks, and this is the subject code 81E. Okay, and you can see these instructions. The question paper consists of objective and subjective, that is MCQ and long answers of total 38 questions. The question paper has been sealed, so all this will be written in your final exam question paper also. Okay, so you have to go through them properly. Follow the instruction given against both the objectives and subjectives question. Means you have to read the headings, like the heading of first main, second main, all those things. Next, figure the right hand margin indicate maximum marks for question. Okay, so the marks will be entered at the right corner, right side, right margin. Next, the maximum time to answer this paper is given at the top of the question paper. You can see that 3 hours 15 minutes. It includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. Okay, so total time will be given 3 hours and 15 minutes. You can read the question paper thoroughly, my maximum by 5 minutes. Okay, and the rest time you can use it for answering the questions. Okay, now one thing you have to follow, what is that? Always start from the easy questions. Okay, there is no need of going in order, like first main, first question, second question. If you know them, you can start, not a problem. But if you feel that example, fifth main, not fifth main, a theorem is given which is easy and you know that, so you can start from that only. Write just the question main, okay, and the question number. For example, if it is the 38th question, you can directly start by writing like this. What will this do? Means it will just help you to reduce the what risk of losing the time. Okay, if you are solving for example, if you get a 1 mark question, okay, and if you don't know the answer, if you are taking it more than 5 minutes, then it's just eating your time. Okay, instead of that 1 mark question, if you could have applied for the question which you know, so it will also take 5 minutes only, but it will fetch you how many marks? 5 marks. So that's why don't be like I have to solve in order. That is fine if you know everything, if you have practiced good. If not, always try to start from the easy questions. Okay, easy questions and short question. Okay, so with that, let us start our topic. Okay, So here is the first question. Okay, so let us start with our first question. Okay, so first main, four alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. This is very important. Okay, so you have to write both the alphabet as well as the complete answer. Okay, so for MCQ you have to solve the problem. Some of the problems you need to solve, that you can do it in the rough side. Okay, it will be provided either in the right side or at the bottom part. The rough work part you can write it. Okay, so let us start with the first question. Okay, first question, the question is, if a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 in two variables have unique solution, then the correct relation among the following is dash. So this is a question from linear equation, right? So just remember one trick. The trick is, see, this is intersecting line, correct? What is this? Parallel line P, and this is coincident line C. Okay, so these lines, they meet at only one point, so it has only one solution. Okay, these two lines, they never meet at any point, so it has no solution. Okay, if they meet only, then they have solution. And these line, they are meeting at all the points, so therefore it has many solution. Okay, now this one solution or unique solution, they are same, one in the same. They can be called as either one solution or unique solution. Now here they have given unique solution. So for unique solution, it means it is a intersecting line. Now for intersecting line, what is the relation? The relation is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Okay, but you can see here this is a cross mark. Okay, so it's not equal. Just remember that trick. Now for this intersecting line, both of the lines are going together, right? So it means all of them will be equal. Okay, both lines equal means on the same side, so on the same line, so it will be equal. So this is the solution for this intersect, what is this, coincident. And for parallel, it is just first two, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So this first two, here they have asked unique, and for unique it is intersecting, so remember this trick. Okay, cross marks means none of them are equal, so this will be the answer. Okay, so in exam you have to write like this. Question number 1, answer is, okay, here the line provided will be, margin will be like this. Here you can write option number A, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Got it? Now sometime they will ask question like whether they are consistent, inconsistent or not. So remember this trick, IPC, I for intersecting, P for parallel, and C for coincident. Below that you can remember this trick. IPC means like Indian Penal Code. Okay, now below that you just write CID. Okay, this CID, they both of them are related to police system, right? Law system. C represent consistent, I represent inconsistent, and D represent dependent. Okay, dependent and consistent, you remember like this. D represent both dependent and consistent. I is only consistent, parallel is only inconsistent, D is what, dependent. Okay, and this is about the type of equation. We call the type of equation either consistent, inconsistent or dependent. That also you can identify based on the type of line. So this type of problem also we have, we'll see that also. Remember just this trick, IPC, and below that CID. Okay, now let us see the second question. So here is our second question. The common difference of AP 100, 93, 86 is dash. So question number 2, we have to write A. Okay, to solve, what is A? It is 100. And what is D? It is 100, A2 minus A1, right? So it is 93 minus 100. Always write it properly. Okay, second term minus first term, so this is minus 7. Some of you will do 100 minus 93, that is wrong. So D is minus 7. What you have to find? Common difference. The common difference you have to find. Okay, that is the answer itself, right? I thought they have asked something else. Okay, so it is -7, option number D. So second answer is what? Option number D, -7. You have to write it like this. Next, question number 3. If the value of discriminant, okay, of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of roots are dash. So you have D is equal to what? B square minus 4AC. We call this as discriminant. Now if it is less than 0, more than 0, and equal to 0, we have the nature of roots for them. Okay, the nature of root will be, for 0 it is real and equal. Okay, remember this, real and equal. For less than 0 it is no roots, no real roots. And for more than 0 it is real and distinct. Okay, so just remember, if it is equal it means real and equal. If it is more than 0, real and distinct. Distinct means different, two different values. If it is less, means it don't have any value. So here we have equation D is what? Discriminant is equal to 0. It means the roots are real and equal. So option number B. Okay, option number B is the correct answer. Next is question number 40. I'm reading 45, sorry. Question number 4. The value of cosec 45 is dash. So you don't have to remember sec, cosec and cot. Just remember sine, cos and tan. And we know that sine is reciprocal of cosec. So if you know cosec value, what is cosec 45? Sorry, what is sine 45? How much is the value of sine 45? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, correct? Now the reciprocal of that will be cosec. So it means what? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is root 2. So answer is option number B. Understood? Yes. Next, question number 5th. The distance of a point P of x comma y from origin. Okay, so a point can be anywhere on this Cartesian plane, and origin means this point. The value of x is 0, y is 0. So the formula will become what? Distance will be, you all know that it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Now at the place of x2 just write x, and here 0, so this is x square plus y square. So always remember, whenever they give distance between point and origin, just write the square root of square of the given points, x square plus y square. This is very important, plus should be there. Got it? So let us check. Have they given option root of x square plus y square? Yes, option number C is correct. Got it? Next is question number 6. The empirical relation between mean, median and mode is dash. So it is 3 median, okay, you have to remember them, is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Okay, mode plus 2 mean. Okay, so just look at it. 2 mode, 2 mean, 3 median. Yes, option number D is the right choice. Okay, now moving to question number 7. Which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? Similar means, what do you mean by similarity? Their corresponding angles must be equal, okay, and their corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. So this applies for two isosceles? No, because only two sides will be equal here. Okay, the third can be different. Two scaling? No, none of the sides are equal. Two equilateral? Yes, this can be. Two right angle triangle? No, this cannot be, because here if I give this is for example 1, 2 and this is 3, just for example, and this can also be right angle, but there is no need, it's not need that this will be in the same ratio. Okay, this can be differ with the first one. Hypotenuse can be differ, or these two can be differ, means their ratio will not equal. Okay, so only the case left is two equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Okay, so definitely their corresponding angle is always 60°, and the sides are also in the same ratio, because if this is 2, this is 2, this is also 2, this can be any number, 9, 9, 9. So 2 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 by 9. Even the ratios are same. Therefore, option number C is the correct answer. Next is question number 8. A cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base. Okay, cone, you know that this is a cone. This is its base. Okay, it is cut by parallel to its base, and a small cone that is obtained is removed. So it is cut like this. So this part is removed. So now that will look like something like this. Correct? Since the top part is removed. Correct? Now then the remaining part of the cone is dashed. So what is this called as? The remaining part is called as frustum of the cone. Okay, so option number A is the correct answer. Got it? I hope it's clear. Now moving to question number 9, but before that, if you find it easier and better, then kindly do like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, moving to question number 9. Okay, so here is the question number 9 for, okay, is it for 2 marks? Sorry, it's just a printing mistake, because this is only for 1 mark. So 8 into 1 is 8 marks. Okay, so just change it, because the next main, third main, will be for 2 mark section. Okay, you can just look it over here. I'll show it to you. Yes, see, this is the third main. There you'll get 8 questions for 2 marks. So here they have just uh, made a mistake, rectified. Okay. Okay, so the first question is, in an AP the sum of first 4 terms is 24. Okay, so first 4 terms, whenever they mention first 4 terms, example first 3 terms, first 9 terms, it represent S4. Okay, first 4. This is 20, and the sum of first 3 terms means it is S3, which is equal to 12. Then the fourth term of AP, they have not asked sum, they have asked fourth term. A4 is question mark. So this is very simple. Okay, if you are going to solve in the form of A and D, converting them in AD, this also in AD, then you will solve what is A, what is D, and then you will write A4 is equal to A plus 3D. See, it is going to take a lot of time, and this question is only for 1 mark. So there is a simple formula which you have to remember. What is that? AN is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, it means if I have the sum of first 4 terms and its previous term, then subtraction of that will give me the fourth term. Okay, that's what they have asked. This is the formula which you have to apply. So it is 20 minus 12, that's all, which is equal to 8. You can even find this using that Sn formula. Okay, but that is a very lengthy procedure. You can try it and check, you will get the same answer. So better to remember this formula. Okay, An is equal to Sn, that is nth term, and sum of the n term minus Sn minus 1. It means the previous of, if I am taking S10, previous will be S9, and this will give me what? A10. Understood? Similarly, this formula you have to apply and write. Okay, so in exam you can write like this: second main, question number 9. See, don't write second main first question. Always write whatever question they have mentioned. Question number 9, answer, and then you can write this as data. Data is given S4, S3, A4 is question mark, and then this you can write the solution. Okay, got it? Moving to question number 10 now. Okay, here is the question number 10. If a pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. See, I told you, remember this trick, IPC, CIT. Okay, they have asked pair have inconsistent. Okay, the solutions, linear equation are inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? Consistent, inconsistent. It refers to parallel lines. Now for parallel lines, how many solutions we have? We have no solutions. For intersecting, only one. For coincident, many. But parallel, since the lines are not meeting anywhere, it has no solution. So answer will be no solutions. That's all. Understood? So this trick will avoid your confusion, and if you find it easier, do share the video. Let every one of your class, every person of SSLC write this. Okay, know this trick. It's very easy to remember. Next is question number 11. Find the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Now this is based on identity. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1, right? And 1 plus 1 is what? 2. That's all. This is the answer. Next is question number 12. A point P divides the line joining A and B. Okay, so this is A. Imagine this is B. Okay, and point P is somewhere here. We don't know what is the distance. And it divides in the ratio M1 is to M2. Okay, internally. Then write the coordinates of P. Okay, so A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. So this formula is section formula, right? So you can write like this: the P, which is x comma y, is equal to, see, this is a very easy trick, I will tell you. Just write here m1 plus m2. Similarly, in denominator m1 plus m2, comma, again m1 plus m2 and m1 plus m2. This is the common thing. Now this first term is what? X, and the second term is y. So here wherever you have 1, write there 2, x2. Wherever 2, write 1. That's all. Denominator remains as it is. Now this is what? This is y. So again wherever you have 1, you write 2 there, that is y2, and with m2 write y1. That's all. This becomes the formula. Understood? I hope it's easy to remember, and I'm sure you are finding it easier. Yes, now? Then like the video, yeah. Next is question number 13. State Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorems. Pythagoras theorem. What is that? If you don't know, just remember. See, this is, for example, a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, this side is called as hypotenuse, and these are the other two sides of a right angle triangle. So the definition says what? The statement is, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse, okay, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So sum means addition of square of other two sides. So which are the other two sides? This and this. That's all. So you can write the statement, and this diagram, if it is if you have so much of time, but it's better to write this diagram also. Okay, and this equation, you'll get marks even if you don't know this statement. If you are writing this much, at least half marks may be given to you, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, but you can try, just give a try. Okay, now moving to question number 14. In the figure, find the length of arc AB of a circle center O if AOB is 90 degree. Okay, and here they have given radius as 7 centimeter. So since it is arc, see, arc is a part of what? Circle. Now if I am taking the total length of this arc, this circle, what is that? 2 pi r. But I need just this arc, so just multiply with theta by 360. That's all. This is the length of arc. Understood? If they ask area of the sector, what is this? This is sector. So total area is pi r square. Now for this sector, just multiply with theta by 360. Understood? Here since they have asked length of arc, just remember this 2 into pi. What is pi? 22 by 7 into r. R is what? They have given it as 7 into angle is 90 degree divided by 360. Okay. Okay, so on solving this will get cancelled. 7 7 0 0 9 1s are 9 4s are, this is 2 1s are 2 2s are, this is 2 1s are 2 11s. That's all. Answer is 11. Since they have given radius in centimeter, this will also be written in centimeter. 11 centimeter. Okay, I hope it's clear. Moving to question number 15 now. Write the formula to find the volume of cone. Okay, cone. What is its volume? V is equal to, it is volume of cylinder by 3, pi r square h by 3. So answer is pi r square h by 3. You can write this diagram also. Okay, and here what is this? This is L. What is this? This is R, and from here to here height. And you can mention where pi is 22 by 7, R is radius of the base of the cone, h is height of the cone. Okay, then you will get full marks. Okay, always try to write like this. Presentation should be beautiful. Okay, next, the last question of today's video, of this video, because the rest I will be solving in the next video. Okay, find the surface area of the sphere, okay, of radius 7 centimeter. So sphere surface area, because they have not mentioned TSA or LSA, because sphere doesn't have any lateral surface area. Lateral means if either top or bottom part is not there, but in a sphere it is a round. Okay, it's only the total area or just surface area. It means everything of that, all the areas. So the formula is 4 pi r square, correct? So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7. So 7 sevens are 49. I'll write directly. Now this 2 will get cancelled. 7 sevens are. Now if you multiply 44, 44 into 2, 22 into 4 is how much? 88 into 7. So how much is that? 56, 5 carry. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. 616. That much? No. I think I have done any mistake. No, it's correct. Yes, 616. Now since this was in centimeter and it is area, it will be centimeter square. Don't forget to write the unit. If you're not writing the unit, you will not get half mark. You'll only get half marks out of 1. Understood? So I hope this part has been explained well, and if you find it so, do again like it, share it, and also you can mention any doubt, or if you have anything else to ask, you can write it in the comment section. The WhatsApp as well as the Telegram link of my channel is provided in the description box. You can join it to get the PDF and also the video updates of my latest videos. Okay, so we'll see you in my next video. It will be uploaded soon. Okay then, take care, bye, have a great time.